In one of the recent Chromebook updates, you now have the ability to easily create and send a GIF from a screen recording. To do so, just click on the clock in the lower right corner, and then click Screen Capture. On the toolbar, make sure that Video is selected, and also make sure that Record Partial Screen is selected. Click and drag around the part of the screen that you want to record, and then click the drop-down next to Record Video, and choose Record GIF. Click Record GIF again, and after a brief countdown, it'll start capturing. When you're finished, click Stop in the lower right corner, and it'll work on creating your GIF. Once it's finished, it'll copy it to your clipboard, and you can click to open it if you'd like. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.